Place the planer directly above your brow map line that you created. Do not remove the peak or the arch of the brow. Over to the side, do the same thing. Just slightly at a 45-degree angle, you will have removed the hair in that perfect line. And then below, directly up against that line that you created with the brow map, remove that hair in a line just like soldiers in a row. Using the tip of the planer to get those hard to get hairs is key. Remove any hair that had dropped down, and you have the perfect shape.